From the moment our ancestors first looked up at the night sky, we've been hooked. The cosmos calls to us. We long to know its secrets. Where did it all begin? How will it all end? These questions have fueled countless myths and scientific inquiries. The universe's vastness humbles us, but the mystery of its ultimate fate truly captivates our imagination. We are storytellers. It's in our nature. We seek beginnings, middles, and yes, even ends. But the end of everything? That's a story on a scale we can barely grasp. Yet, as we explore the universe with telescopes and equations, we uncover clues. The universe, like everything in it, may have an expiration date. Let's gather around the cosmic campfire and explore some of the leading theories about how the universe might end. These are not just tales of destruction, but stories of physics, of gravity's dance, and energy's fate. Hold on to your hats, folks. We're about to dive into the cosmic abyss and explore the big freeze, the big crunch, and the mind-bending big rip.
Hold on tight, because things are about to get really strange. If the big freeze is a slow fade and the big crunch is a fiery collapse, the big rip is the universe going out with a bang. And by bang, I mean everything in the universe, from galaxies to atoms, being ripped apart. This scenario hinges on dark energy, that enigmatic force driving the universe's accelerated expansion. In the Big Rip, dark energy doesn't just keep expanding the universe, it grows stronger over time. This ever-increasing energy density has a devastating effect on the fabric of space-time. Imagine stretching a piece of fabric until it tears. That's essentially what happens in the Big Rip, but on a cosmic scale. First, galaxies would be pulled apart as space expands too quickly for gravity to hold them together. Then, stars would be torn from their galaxies, planets from their stars. Eventually, even atoms themselves would be shredded, their constituent particles scattered across a rapidly expanding universe. The Big Rip is a rather unsettling end, but thankfully it's still just a theoretical possibility.
So, how do we even begin to unravel these cosmic mysteries? One key piece of evidence lies in the faint afterglow of the Big Bang itself. The cosmic microwave background radiation. This radiation, discovered in the 1960s, is like a baby picture of the universe. Imagine looking at a photograph of yourself as an infant. You can learn a lot from it: your eye color, the shape of your face, even hints of your personality. The cosmic microwave background is similar. It provides a snapshot of the universe just 380,000 years after the Big Bang. By studying the tiny temperature fluctuations in this radiation, cosmologists can learn about the universe's early conditions, its composition, and its geometry. These observations help us refine our theories about the universe's fate and determine which scenarios are more likely than others. The cosmic microwave background is a treasure trove of information, a cosmic time capsule that allows us to peer back into the universe's infancy and unravel the mysteries of its evolution. As we contemplate these cosmic endings, it's natural to feel a sense of awe and perhaps a touch of existential dread. The universe is a vast and ancient place, and our time in it is fleeting. But rather than despair, we should embrace the wonder of it all. We are fortunate to live in a time when we can ask these profound questions and seek answers through scientific inquiry. The universe is still revealing its secrets to us, and each new discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the grand scheme of things. The universe may have an end, but that doesn't diminish the beauty and wonder of the present moment. Let us cherish our time on this pale blue dot, explore the cosmos with insatiable curiosity, and never stop asking the big questions. For in seeking answers, we enrich our understanding of the universe and ourselves.